All right, everybody. Thanks for coming back. Let's learn how to do the dirty flip cup.
All right, making sure everything's good and mixed here. Got a good selection of colors. Of course, all the ones that are in the kit.
Plus the mixed ones we did in the last video.
Right. A little extra bonus there. Ready to go?
Got our canvases.
8 by 10s.
Those are the pins.
We're sticking them in the back so that they don't stick to the cardboard. Makes it a lot easier once they dry. You don't want the canvas sticking to the cardboard.
Again, ask for help if you need it.
Yep. Don't stick yourself. All right, now we have our cups and we're going to load them up.
Everybody has their own way of loading the flip cup. So you can see that Bill and I both have different methods to our madnesses. You can follow along the same way, or you can invent your own.
Play with the chaos chemistry. Fill in the cups.
At the end of this, you want it to be about 3/4 full. Okay, now we're going to show you two different ways of doing the flip cup. I'm using paint around the base of the cup before I pick it up, and Bill is just getting those corners really good first and pouring on a dry canvas. Here we go.
There it is. You can see we totally chose two different directions to go to give you a little contrast here.
Always check out those cups. They're really fun inside.
Stretching before you get it tilted around.
Go slow. Take your time. See what evolves.
You want it to roll over the edges, but not waste it all either. So move it around, get the canvas covered, but don't roll it all off because then you won't have enough at the end.
We moved really slow, so we sped it up just a little bit for you.
Little radical tilting there. Dab some edges if you need to.
All right, that's the first one. Come back. Let's learn how to do the dirty ribbon pour.
There they are the next day dried. Both looking good.
Yep, they came out great. Colors were brilliant. You're going to love the results you get too. All amazing. Let's learn another technique. I can't wait.
Can't do it wrong.
Let's go. The ribbon pour.